January 9th. It's about like almost 9 o'clock, not even 9 o'clock yet. I'm wide awake. You know, I should be sleeping in. My mother had basically called me before the school, and you know, they sent text messages out about, you know, if the school closing or whatever, or they'll call and leave a voicemail. But my mother had she woke me up and told me about it at 5 something this morning, saying that the schools is closed today, because due to, like, you know, like heavy rains and flooding and just crazy weather today. So my son is home today. He don't know, you know, once he wake up he'll figure that out. But I'm about to go to the store in this nasty weather. I just want to get in and get out. That's why I'm up. I'm up because I couldn't go back to sleep. I tried to go back to sleep after like 7, and it just couldn't happen. So then she was saying she was craving oxtails. So I'm gonna go get that from the Latino store around here. So I'm gonna get the oxtails, and I'm gonna come with me to do that. Then I also have to, I might as well drop something off, something important too. I might as well just drop that off, get that in also, since I'm outside. Okay, I'm gonna just get that done also. But other than that, I'm about to get dressed. And excuse me, y'all. And y'all gonna come with me. So see y'all in a few. Okay, real quick. I wanted to come back and say something real quick. I know I don't have like a. It's not, my videos are no longer. They're no longer. They're not set. They don't have like a set schedule. Like, oh, every Wednesday I'm gonna upload blah blah blah. Right now it's basically whenever God puts it on my heart to feel like recording and being real with y'all. That's how it is right now, because like I said, I already had my YouTube channel for like I think almost a year or two already, but I'm just getting back fully now, and I'm gonna be consistent and stay like that. And I'm seeing that I am getting a couple of more subscribers. So like basically whenever my subscribers start, you know, coming in a lot more, then that's when like y'all will see like my videos being consistently on like a certain day, like posting once every Wednesday or whatever like that. But right now y'all getting videos sporadically, maybe 2 a week, or it's just basically whatever way how I feel at this moment. Whenever God say, hey, today's the day, I'm gonna record, and if it's not, it's not. But you will get videos from me a lot more now that I'm back and better, you know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to let y'all know that, because right now it's not going to be a set schedule, because like I said, I barely have any subscribers right now, but I see that my channel is doing a little bit better than it was. But I'm going to keep pushing through, and y'all going to keep riding with me, and I'm just going to be truthful with y'all right now. So y'all just going to get whatever y'all get from me right now. And like I said, we're going to wing it, and we're going to just keep pushing, keep doing what we're doing. But other than that, I'm getting dressed. I got my wife beater on. Not my wife, I said wife beater, sports bra on right now. And I'm getting dressed. So, I'll be in the car in a second once I'm done. And then y'all come and see, and y'all gonna see the weather I'm talking about. It's just rain right now, but like it's crazy. It's not your normal rain that we would get. But yeah. All right, y'all. Putting on my leggings, so see y'all in the car. of the day. For right now, I just got my brown boots. They're from Payless, actually. When Payless was here and then it was getting ready to close, we snagged these up. Got on my leggings again. And just a black hoodie and my hat. So this is today's crazy outfit for the weather. See y'all in the car. What I did, the oxtails, just gonna boil them for right now. Just put a little bit of water in the pot. I'm gonna boil them for a couple of hours and let them get nice and soft so we can eat them. will recommend. These are so bomb, y'all. I eat these with my yogurt and my grapes. So y'all can try these out too. These are so good. They got pomegranates in it, cranberry, dry cranberries, and it's so good, y'all. And I can eat these by itself. These are so good. But I don't want to worry about my Christmas tree. You see it's coming down. It feel like the holidays flew, okay? Barely want to take it down. It's coming down. Got everything else down. No more Christmas stuff. But yeah, get these, y'all. See y'all in a minute. So far, this is what they looking like. Y'all never save the first water. You see why? No, thank you. The first boiling water is you cleaning them off and getting all that gook and stuff off of them. And then the second and third one, that's when the second one, you basically drain it again. And then the third one, that's when you save the water so that way you can put your seasonings and it can make the juice and the gravy, stuff like that. But you see, this is why it's important. You boil your meat and you do what you do. This is very, very important. So I'm gonna let this still sit for a little while, and then I'm gonna take off this first water and rinse and do everything else. So stay tuned.
Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again
won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
That's why. Keep it on you. Oh my God. I didn't know you said it. They got it in the clip.
Shannon's reception continues in the ballroom.
So hey y'all, after I cooked dinner and fed everybody, lo and behold, of course, if you know your woman or man or whatever, but when I basically up on all day and I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I lose an appetite and I just didn't feel like eating once I, fed my whole family and down to the dog. I just was really tired. Like I said, I've been up since 5 o'clock that morning. And I didn't, next thing you know, the clock went from 11 o'clock in the morning to that's when I came back in from shopping this morning, from getting the oxtails and the food. I seen 11 o'clock. And next thing you know, I sat down for 2 seconds and I seen it was 4:45. So time legit like flew for me, and I just was cooking the whole time in the kitchen, hours, making the macaroni and the oxtails and the plantains. But everything was good from what I tasted a little bit. Like I made my plate, but it's in the fridge, so I'm just gonna eat my grapes, and I brought some cherries, so I'm gonna eat that before I get into bed. So right now I'm just straightening up a little bit in the living room before I go upstairs. But other than that, I just thank y'all for, just chilling with me today and seeing me cook and just letting me be me, which I'm gonna be anyway for y'all. I just wanted y'all to see the realistic me on this channel, and I think I'm growing and I'm understanding and doing what makes me happy, and whatever y'all want to see more of,
I don't mind y'all letting me know. But other than that, I really appreciate y'all, and I'm loving it so far. And like I said, once again, thank you for coming with me today. I had a really long day. I'm really tired at this point. Like I said, I'm just going to finish cleaning up, and then I'm just going to take it to bed. So thank you. Love you guys. Bye.